In this video today, I will be showing you guys how I use 3 products to deep condition this 4C TWA. So let's go. Hey guys, so it's Naturally Impress Maddie back again with another video. Today I went ahead and I washed my hair and I did a pre-poo. Once again, I used the Main Choice Heavenly Halo pre-poo. So I did this, I let it sit for about 15 minutes or so, which I told you guys already that my hair likes this a lot. So this may be a staple, I'm not sure yet. But I put this in and then I went ahead and I detangled my hair, which I tried to do some finger detangling, which went really well. So for the shampoo, I used the Main Choice Heavenly Halo Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Shampoo. And the first time that I used this, it was okay. And this last time when I used it, I actually liked it. It was pretty good. I take the shampoo, I mix it with distilled water, and I put it into a squirt bottle, and then I use the nozzle on that to squirt it directly onto my scalp, so that way my scalp is super clean, but my hair strands don't lose all of their moisture. After I did my shampoo, I went ahead and I put in my leave-in conditioner. So for my leave-in conditioner, I used the Main Choice Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover, clever name, which says manageability and softening remedy conditioner. Helps to support natural hair growth and retention. Type 4 and proud. Yes, type 4 and proud. So I used this, but I went ahead and I mixed it with my Jamaican black castor oil, and I mixed it with some essential oil. I used the Peppermint one. So I mixed all 3 of these together to create my deep conditioner that's in my hair now. The Peppermint oil is to help stimulate hair growth on my scalp. So what I'm gonna do is take this off. So you guys know all about the plastic bag already. I ran out of processing caps, so I had to use a Walmart plastic bag. But guess what? It still got the job done. So here I'm using my shower comb to detangle my hair. I love this comb. So far on my TWA, it is the best comb to detangle my hair. I think I got it from Sally Beauty, but I can't remember exactly.
I'm not even playing though. These hair products be trying it with these prices. These natural hair products are so expensive. They're so expensive.
Now I am just detangling my hair. This comb is going through it so easily, guys. I mean, this feels amazing. The castor oil is providing so much slip. I have like no tangles in my hair. It's so soft. I am loving this deep conditioner. And if you guys want to see me mix or make a video on how I mixed this deep conditioner, then just let me know and I will put it together at your service. I'm still playing around in my hair. The Main Choice Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover Manageability and Softening Remedy Conditioner is bomb AF. It has my hair so soft and it is doing 4C proud. Let me tell you, it has clove oil, flaxseed oil, aloe vera, and then I went ahead and I added the castor oil on top of that. Yo, this combination, I will definitely be doing this again. All right, let's take a quick look at the back. So I'm gonna let you guys listen to this music while I finish this up real quick. I know that you guys saw all of that detangling that I did in my hair, really playing around in my hair, but this is all the hair that I lost. So this deep conditioner has definitely won me over today. I let the deep conditioner sit for 3 hours because, let's be real, where am I going? We're in quarantine, right? So then I rinsed it out with super cold water and I used a t-shirt to dry my hair. So you guys already know I'm gonna go in with my regular leave-in conditioner, the coconut water leave-in treatment from Camille Rose, which actually I'm not quite sure that I like because it goes in really nice and soft, but then my hair feels dry when it is dry. So if you have any recommendations on what leave-in conditioner I should be using on my 4C hair, or want to see me review one that you've been thinking about, leave it in the comments down below and I will get a video together for you guys. So here we are at the end of this video. My hair feels so soft, so moisturized. I'm going in with my leave-in now, and I will see you guys in the next video where I will be styling my freshly washed hair. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.